Drone pilots often find themselves in situations where they are flying legally yet face opposition from people in the area. These encounters can range from mild concern to outright hostility. Understanding how to handle such situations professionally and empathetically is crucial for maintaining a positive relationship with the community while upholding the right to operate legally. In this video, we'll discuss strategies drone pilots can employ to address and mitigate community concerns effectively. Before we begin, make sure to hit those like and subscribe buttons so we can continue to provide you with more drone-related content. Safety is always your top priority. Our list should help you in these situations, but never place yourself in harm's way. If you feel unsafe because people don't want you in an area, it's best to leave. I've had people yell at me, photograph me, threaten to shoot me, and even one man accused me of being part of a government program that was conducting mind control experiments on him. As a former Marine, that all seemed pretty normal to me, but if I ever feel that safety is an issue, I leave. Number 1, understanding the root concern. The first step in addressing opposition is understanding why people may be uncomfortable with drones. Common concerns include privacy invasion, noise, safety, and a general lack of understanding of drone operations. Recognizing these concerns allows pilots to address them directly and thoughtfully. When someone approaches me while flying, I let them know I am a federally licensed commercial drone pilot flying legally in controlled airspace. Number 2, clear communication and education. Often, concerns stem from misconceptions or lack of understanding about drone operations. Pilots can take the initiative to educate people about the nature of their work, the safety measures in place, and how privacy is respected. Offering clear, concise information can help alleviate fears and misconceptions. This communication can take the form of face-to-face conversations, informative leaflets, or community presentations. Number 3, demonstrating compliance and professionalism. Always be prepared to demonstrate compliance with legal requirements. This includes showing knowledge of local, state, and federal regulations and, if asked, providing documentation such as the Part 107 certification or flight logs. Displaying professionalism in all interactions, regardless of the nature of the encounter, also helps in establishing credibility and diffusing tension. I've had people threaten to call law enforcement on me many times. Each time, I let them know in a polite and professional tone that I am legally flying, and if they would like to waste law enforcement's time, I am more than happy to provide law enforcement professionals with my current Part 107 license and authorization to fly in a given area. Obviously, you always want to be legally operating in the area so that that doesn't cause a bigger issue for you. Number 4, proactive community engagement. Engaging with the community before beginning operations can preempt opposition. This might involve notifying local authorities, community groups, or even individual residents in advance of flying, particularly in residential areas. Such proactive measures can foster a sense of respect and cooperation. If I'm flying near someone else's property, I will often give them a heads up so there are no surprises. Most people are very respectful of this. Respecting privacy concerns. This is a big one. Privacy is the primary concern for many people when it comes to drones. Pilots should assure residents that they respect their privacy and explain the measures taken to ensure this, such as avoiding direct filming of private properties or using drones with camera capabilities that do not infringe on personal privacy. Number 6, minimizing disruption. While legally permitted to fly in certain areas, pilots should still aim to minimize disruption. This includes avoiding flying at odd hours, keeping noise to a minimum, and choosing flight paths that are less intrusive to the community. Number 7, building positive relationships. Building positive relationships with the community can lead to a better understanding and acceptance. Participating in local events, offering educational sessions about drones, and being a responsible and courteous member of the community can significantly improve public perception. One method I have found helpful is offering my drone services for free to the local law enforcement agency's search and rescue team. You get to meet potential customers, and the police already know who you are and that you're professional and safe. Number 8, conflict resolution skills. In confrontational situations, it's vital to remain calm and composed. Listen to concerns without being defensive, acknowledge the validity of their feelings, and try to find a common ground or compromise if possible. Avoid escalating the situation and be prepared to walk away if the interaction becomes counterproductive. Number 9, knowing when to compromise. There are instances where, despite your legal rights, it may be in your best interest to compromise. This could mean alternating flight plans or even choosing not to fly in a specific area where community opposition is particularly strong. Such decisions should balance the legal rights of the pilot with the benefits of maintaining good community relations. Number 10, keeping records of encounters. Maintaining records of any significant encounters, especially if they involve explicit threats or safety concerns, is important. This documentation can be useful if legal or law enforcement involvement becomes necessary. Drone pilots legally operating in areas where they face community opposition must navigate these challenges with tact, understanding, and professionalism. By addressing concerns through clear communication, demonstrating compliance, respecting privacy, minimizing disruption, and building positive relationships, pilots can often mitigate opposition. Additionally, possessing conflict resolution skills and knowing when to compromise are crucial in maintaining a harmonious relationship with the community. Through these approaches, drone pilots can not only ensure their right to operate, but also foster an environment of mutual respect and understanding with the community in which they fly. We hope you enjoyed today's video. From all of us at Altitude University, stay safe out there and happy flying.